This is what it looks like now. That's what it looks like. That's it. Thanks. Appreciate you. Appreciate you a lot. This is what
They sing on a sleepless night. Try to catch me howling at the moon.
Hey everybody, this is John from Show Me Pickers, the home of eBay returns. Boy, do I got two good ones today. I'm going to show you guys the returns that I got, and I'll give you the reason why the people said that they were returned. The first item that we have here is a vintage car part. Vintage by, like, this thing was probably sold in the 1980s. And it is a locking gas cap. It's really nice. It comes in the original box. Really good shape. And the guy sent it back because, one, he said it did not fit. And two, he said it was just corroded on the bottom. Boy, oh boy, look at all of that corrosion. It's called oxidation. And that's what happens when something gets old. Oxygen oxidizes. And that does not in any way, shape, or form impede the use of this item on a person's vehicle, unless what that person did is they bought the wrong one, and so that they could return it and not feel bad, they came up with the reason that it was oxidized. But here's the neat thing: all of our items on eBay, they all have free returns anyways, so there's no need to like lie and say that it doesn't work because of this, because we're just going to take it back anyways. But that isn't the good item that we got returned. That's just like, that was like, what? How much was that? Like 20 bucks or something like that. We're used to those. That's just par for the course anymore. Selling on eBay is getting these Amazon customers. And this is what I'm afraid of, people. This is what's got me like kind of shaking in my boots, is the idea that Amazon, my friend Shane, the Rise and Grind Picker, he made a video about this the other day, about Amazon getting rid of third-party sellers. This is something that I keep hearing about that could be coming down the pike. And if they do that, these new buyers that are flooding into eBay, I'm thankful for a lot of them. They're really good. But I think a lot of these people have been conditioned by Amazon to return items for any reason, because they think that, like on Amazon, they think that everything they buy is from Jeff Bezos, and you know, he's got billions of dollars. He can take the return. I can even screw him by sending the wrong item back. And it's okay. But on eBay, if you're an Amazon buyer and you just happen to stumble upon this, none of us are Jeff Bezoses. There's no Jeff Bezoses on eBay. We're all mom and pops that are just trying to make a living selling stuff. So if you don't think you want it, then don't buy it. That would just be great. But I'm going to take you guys upstairs and I'm going to show you the other item that we got back and why I think it was a big time screw-in. This was a $589 screw job. And we're going to go upstairs and we're going to take a look at it. Okay guys, this is the item that I sold the other day. It was a huge bass speaker. It had subwoofers on either side of it. And I sold this thing. I paid $2 for it at auction. And I sold it for $500. There was like 80-something shipping and handling on it. And my customer bought it. They had it for a while. Looking for a pair of scissors. They had it for a while. And they had it for like 2 weeks. And then all of a sudden, oh, it don't work. It don't work. I'm a busy person. I'm so busy. I didn't have time to open it. I've had it for 2 weeks and I just had no time to open it. And now it's broke. Now I've opened it and now it don't work at all. Oh my gosh. What am I gonna do? Oh, I'm gonna send it back. That's what I'm gonna do, because that's the story that they told me. But here's the problem. I think if you just opened an item, you would have all the packing material, everything that you would need to be able to send that item back, right? I mean, that's what I do. I mean, that's not the box that I use to ship it. That's not the packing material that I use. So if he just opened it and he just tried it out, he would have had the 2 boxes that I shipped it in, because I shipped it in an inner box, and then I shipped it in an outer box. So it was protected. I packaged it to where the speakers wouldn't get pushed in with little pieces of styrofoam. I did the best job I could possibly do. I tested it, made sure that the item worked, and guess what? It got there, and it got there in good shape. So my customer bought it, and I'm speculating here. I don't know. I'm just speculating. I'm going to throw this out into the universe that he had it for a week or two, and then he used it, and he blew it up. I'm speculating that. We're going to open it up. We're going to see what kind of condition it is when I got it back. Not even opened it up. I'm dreading opening it up. I don't want to see it. I don't want to see it. But we're going to. So let's open this up. Let me open this up, and I'll be right back. Because it's hard to open this up. Here, I got an idea. We're going to open it up together. I got a plan. Okay, so here we go. Let's open this up. Let's see. Let's see what it looks like inside. Inside this, I mean, this item weighs like, I want to say, what does it say on here? I believe it weighs like, I believe it weighs like 80 pounds. Like, it's really heavy. Maybe 50 pounds. It's a huge speaker. I don't even know what any of this material is here. I have never seen any of this material in my life. None of this material looks familiar. Well, I mean, I don't even know what that was off of. Probably something else this guy screwed someone out of. Oh, let's see here. And the problem with this is that there's speakers here on the side. And that's the problem. What is this? Proper starter performance depending on the whole electric. I don't even know what that means. That ain't from this. Here's some of these. Some of that packing. Here's some of that packing. Nice packing there. Hey, good news though. Good news. I get a pillow. Freaking awesome. A freaking pillow. A free pillow. That worked out great. Oh, even better. Freaking great and awesome, people. Oh, this is freaking glorious. This is freaking glorious. Looky here, people. Due to this guy's very poor shipping with a pillow, it broke open in freaking shipping, and he ruined it. That's what I get back. This is what I get back thanks to eBay and their horrible seller customer service. This is what it looks like now. That's what it looks like. That's it. Thanks. Appreciate you. Appreciate you a lot. That I'm absolutely sick and tired of dealing with eBay with is allowing these customers to just essentially do whatever they want and send you back. This is a $500 item, and that's what I get back, eBay. You can do better. I am just so sick and tired of it. I'm done selling high-end electronics on your website. I could put this stuff on Facebook Marketplace and people will drive. I had a guy drive from Little Rock, Arkansas to buy some stuff because I was too leery of listing it on your site because this is the kind of crap that you allow to happen. I am mad and I am fired up, and I think that I deserve better as a seller who has sold on your platform for over 20 years, other resellers. I'm going to warn them that if you list high-end stuff, that this is the outcome of your effort 9 times out of 10. Maybe that's a little high, but you're going to get this. And it happened to me on a $600 item because they allowed a guy to ship a $500 piece of equipment back to me with a pillow, some bubble wrap, a box, and some piece of crap shipping material. Absolutely insane, eBay. I am so livid. I'm gonna have to stop. I'm gonna have to calm down, and I'll be back. Okay, so we are on our way home. I'm a little bit more calm right now. I'm still upset, still angry, but we're gonna go home and we're gonna make a little phone call to eBay. We've taken pictures of it. I'm gonna pull this video off the GoPro, send her more pictures, and then we're gonna send all of the photographs, we're gonna send it to the buyer and show him the damage that was done in the shipping back to us. And we are then going to call eBay and we're gonna see what they're gonna do about it. Okay guys, we have taken a bunch of pictures, we've uploaded them, we're getting ready to send a message to the buyer. This is actually what the message says. You can just read it out loud.
Okay, it says, hello, I received the Sunfire True subwoofer back today, and due to insufficient packaging, it was completely destroyed in shipping and is not in the same condition that you received it in. I shipped this item to you double boxed and very well padded between both, so it arrived to you in excellent condition. I received it back with a pillow and a bit of bubble wrap and foam for padding in one single flimsy box. It did not include any of my original packing material and was in a completely different box than the 2 I sent. I'm curious why you didn't save and reuse any of the original packaging material it was sent in. Properly packaged, this would have arrived back to me in satisfactory condition, but as it is unsalvageable. I am attaching photos so you can see how this arrived to me.
And we've attached the photos down there at the bottom. And so now she's going to send it and we're going to call eBay, and we're sending these photos so that they can see the message that we sent to him. They can then pull the message up and then they can see the condition of the item as we got it back. And I have video of me opening it, so if they need that, I can always upload that and get it to them real quick. So she's going to call them, and when we get them on the line, I'll be right back.
Hi, I was calling about a return that's now been escalated to a case a few days ago. We actually received the item back today, and it was completely destroyed when we received it back today because it wasn't sufficiently packaged. But since I had to call the other day, it doesn't give us the option of, refunding half, because it was free returns. We should be able to refund half at least and keep original shipping for the damage, but I don't have that option at all anymore because for some reason it was marked as shipped on the 16th or 17th. So on the 24th we got a message that it should have been delivered and it wanted us to send a refund. Well, it hadn't even been shipped yet. I believe he shipped it the next day or 2 days later he shipped it, and then we just received it today. And I did...
Alright, let's see what I can do.
Okay, I did send him a message with pictures of what it looked like and pictures of the packing, if you're able to look at that and see what we received.
Oh yeah, happy to take a look at those photos.
Okay.
And if we need to do a less than full refund or any assistance there, I'll be able to take care of that for us. What is that return or case ID, please?
Let's see. Return ID was 519 132 1326.
Okay. Now let me do a quick review here. Do you mind a very brief hold?
No, that's fine.
Thank you. One moment.
Okay, so I'm not sure what they're gonna do, but she said that if we do need to offer a less than full refund, so that sounds positive. Hopefully once she sees the pictures and sees that this item has been destroyed, that hopefully she will they'll side in our favor, and if I get to keep half the money, that'll cover my shipping there and back, and that will keep me at least out of the red on this item. I had $2 in it. If I don't make any money on it, that's fine, but I just don't want to lose any money due to One, I believe the item was abused. I believe the guy blew it up. It was a speaker. I believe he blew it up because he had it for a couple weeks and he just ran either improperly or ran too much power through it, or he just didn't want it and wanted to send it back. And well, you see in the condition that we got it back in. So when she comes back on, I'll be right back.
I see what went on. All right, so if you guys were intending to do a deduction from the refund, I can absolutely help to make that happen, even though we've put the case on hold, which prevented that ability. I see all these photos and all. So what that would look like is it would look like me forcing a full refund, and it would sort of look like a defect at first, but I'll go back in and this will all happen right now, and then I'll appeal the case to pay you out for 50% of the case value.
Okay.
And so basically, full refund from you to the buyer, 50% back from eBay to you, and then I'll remove any defects associated with this case.
Okay, sounds good.
Fantastic. So I just need your authorization to provide a full refund for the case ID we previously noted.
Yeah, that's fine.
Fantastic. Thank you for that. You might see a defect on your account for the next 5 business days or so, but know that I'm removing it today. It just takes about that long for the seller dashboard to catch up.
Okay.
All right. I will note that on the case as well as take those actions. Other than that, were there any other inquiries you had today?
No, that's it. Thank you so much.
Absolutely happy to take care of it. I'm sorry to hear the item returned back to you in such poor condition.
Right. We were hoping to be able to at least sell it, you know, for parts or something. We were going to test it and make sure what he said was wrong with it was actually wrong with it, because it wasn't when we sent it. But we were hoping to at least be able to sell it for parts, but the way it looks, I don't know if there's anything we can do with it.
Yeah, no, I understand. That's a bad scenario, and I'll just make sure we, get paid back for half of the item value.
Okay, and that'll just show up like as a credit on our account, basically?
Yeah, that'll show up as a credit on your account about 3 business days. When you look at the payment details, you'll see that it was sent to you.
Okay, thank you.
You're very welcome. Have a great weekend.
Thank you, you too. Bye.
You bet. Thanks. Bye-bye.
Well, that turned out a lot better than what I was ever hoping for. I know I was a little bit heated earlier on in this video, but it looks like eBay took one, and they're going to help us out. So thank you very much, eBay. I greatly appreciate that. And well, I can't say that. Only way I could have been happier is if I would have got the item back and it would have worked and I could have resold it for another 500 bucks. But at this way, maybe I can take some of the parts off of it, sell it, and actually be made whole. There's still one good speaker on there, and maybe the board on the back will work. Who knows? And that's it. That's the end of this saga. You have any words, Megan? Do you think that went okay?
I think it went okay.
Yeah, I think it was as good as possible.
It's good as possible because they make you refund at least some. I mean, in a perfect world, you wouldn't have to refund the guy anything.
Right.
It's his fault, but
right.
That's eBay.
It is eBay. So thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, go down below and hit that subscribe button, and be sure to like the video, share it with your friends. And thank you for watching. God bless you guys. And I want to remind you guys, I do have a friend, Dusty Graham, Alabama picker. He went through a tragic loss. He lost his wife, Tristan, and I want you guys to hold him up in prayer. He is currently in the ICU. He is currently fighting himself. This COVID stuff is no joke. Be prepared. Go out. Social distance. Do everything that you can do, because this stuff is real. It's no joke. It's not fake. It's not a conspiracy theory. It really is taking people's lives. And that's as political as I'm going to get about that. So just do what you got to do to protect yourself and your family. So love you guys. Have a good day. Keep on digging. Keep on picking. And remember, the family that picks together
Sticks together.
sticks together.